the microscopic form of Ohm's law, that is J vector equals to sigma E, where n is number of electrons or charges per unit volume. Capital A is the area of cross section of the wire. E is magnitude of charge on an electron. Vd is drift speed. Therefore, from equation we can also write I by A equals to NE Vd. Here I by A is called J, that is current density. Since drift speed Vd equals to E tau by Me. Therefore, I by A equals to J equals to Ne. We will replace the value of Vd in this equation. So, E tau by Me. Hence, current density J equals to Ne square tau by Me multiply with capital E. Here Ne square tau by Me equals to sigma is called conductivity. Therefore, J equals to sigma E, which is called Ohm's microscopic form. Now, to find the Ohm's microscopic form by its law, we know that Ohm's law is V equals to IR. Therefore, I equals to V by R. We know that R equals to rho L by A and V equals to E into L. Hence, I becomes EL upon rho L by A, or we can write I equals to E A by rho, or I by A equals to E by rho. Since J equals to I by A, where J is current density and sigma equals to 1 by rho, hence we can write J equals to sigma E, which is Ohm's microscopic form. Now, to find Ohm's law from its microscopic form, we know that Ohm's microscopic form is J equals to sigma E, say equation 1. Since J equals to I by A, sigma equals to Ne square tau by Me and E equals to V by L, so replacing all these values in equation first, we get I by A equals to Ne square tau V upon MEL. Since sigma equals to Ne square tau by Me and rho equals to 1 by sigma, therefore we can write I equals to sigma A V by L or I equals to A upon rho L into V, or we can write I equals to 1 by R into V. Since R equals to rho L by A, therefore V equals to IR, which is Ohm's law. Thank you for watching this video.